Question for our Pet Vet on Call comes from Art. He asks, how is it that a cat's foot pads are always so soft?
Well, unlike dogs that can really build up some nice, hard protective calluses, cats' feet always stay soft. And the reason is that they have a lot of extra fatty tissue in their feet that acts for shock absorption when they jump or fall out of high places. And it also is what allows them to prowl silently so they can sneak up quietly on their prey and make dinner time a little bit more successful.
Thanks for the question, Art. We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. Look at this. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have a young female husky mix named Oreo, for obvious reasons. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this really cute domestic short-hair kitten named Theodore. Little boy, obviously. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? They always have lots of